Finally, we have the Pixel 8 Pro in the house. This is Blaine from BWall Tech here, and today we're going to do a quick unboxing and initial impressions of the Google Pixel 8 Pro. Pixel 8 Pro in the house. Typical, simple Google packaging. I like the baby blue color in person. This is nice, and a nice matte back. Okay, they're going the matte route this year, as opposed to last year. Team Pixel. Let's get this bad boy out the box. So this is supposed to be Google's flagship. All their features and everything will come to the Pixel 8 Pro first. As you see here now, they've graduated from curved display to flat display. Actually, there's been a demand from users to kind of move away from the curved edges. Some people will say there's accidental touches with curved edges. So we got a flat screen now on the Pro Series devices. Let's take a quick look inside the box. Nothing special in the box for Google devices. USB-C cable, USB A to C adapter. They're not like OnePlus that gives you all the dope stuff in the box. All right, let's do a quick comparison between the Pixel 8 Pro and the old Pixel 6 Pro, which I was rocking for the last 2+ years until the summer when I got my Pixel Fold, which I love, by the way. But look, the 8 Pro is actually slightly thicker, and it actually feels a little heavier, but you can see they've gone with glossy aluminum for the sides as opposed to the glossy black. And you see the back there, the Pixel 6 Pro is glossy, whereas the 8 Pro is matte, and the 8 Pro has the new updated refined visor, and the 6 Pro, you see, has that old school visor. I think I like the 8 Pro better. The 6 Pro, you see, is glossy. You see the gloss there? And it has thinner sides. And you see the curved display, how the display used to curve over the edges on the 6 Pro. Now, on the 8 Pro, you see, it's nice, a little bit more refined. You see the maturity as Google has gotten better with hardware. The nice matte back, and the more rounded edges. You know, the 6 Pro has sharper edges, so when you hold it in the palm of your hand, it's not as comfortable as, you know, holding the 8 Pro. That was a nice decision by Google to kind of curve the edges so it's more comfortable in hand. Because over time, if you didn't have a special case, the 6 Pro did kind of bother you a little bit. The edges kind of dig into your palm. Also, they changed the aspect ratio a little bit on the Pixel 8 Pro. The aspect ratio is, I believe, 20:9, as opposed to in the 6 Pro, it was, I think, 19.5:9. So I'm looking forward to putting it through its paces and letting you guys know my thoughts. But before I do so, I gotta put some protection on this bad boy. I ordered the Spigen tempered glass screen protector, their Glass TR Align Master series. So it's a 2-pack, and they include everything in the box to get a perfect install of the screen protector. So we'll just run through it real quick so you see the installation experience, and to see if it's a screen protector that you might want for your Pixel 8 Pro. Now, one thing I'm not too fond of, if you look at the picture on the box, didn't show a screen protector with a black border around it. Take it out the box and there's a black border. So we'll see how it looks after it's installed, and I'll decide whether or not I want to keep it. Nice. Looks perfect. Great job, Spigen. Now, if you look at the edges and everything, you can't really see the black bars, but we'll see how it looks with the case. This is the Dbrand Ghost case. Snaps on nice and snug, and it's thin and slim and feels very protective. I like the feel so far. Okay, Dbrand. Well, there you have it. That was a quick unboxing of the Pixel 8 Pro. Next, I'm gonna drop my SIM in that bad boy, and I'm gonna get started on the full review. If you have any questions, or if there's anything you'd like me to cover during the review, please leave it in the comment section below. And while you're at it, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and smash that notification icon to be notified when I drop another video. See you in the next one. Peace.